Your French sentence just turned a guaranteed ending into a maybe. One false friend, and the report enters calendar limbo. At work, you mean, we will eventually find an answer. You try.
Nous trouverons éventuellement une solution.
A native speaker hears. Maybe we'll find one if necessary. Not the same confidence. The look-alike word means possibly, or if needed. For the English idea eventually, choose wording that means in the end. One natural pattern means to end up doing something. Try.
Nous finirons par trouver une solution.
Recap. For maybe or if needed, the French word is
Éventuellement.
For an eventual outcome, use a pattern like
Finir par.
Follow Languizy for false friends that won't sabotage your plans. Visit languizy.com.